Last time we saw the Krebs cycle. In this Krebs cycle, we also discuss on glycolysis is the first step of oxidation of carbohydrates. I repeat again the same questions. मागच्या वेळेस जे प्रश्न तुम्हाला दिलेले आहेत ते प्रश्न ओव्हरऑल मी फक्त त्याची नावं घेतोय. सेल्युलर रेस्पिरेशनचे दोन मोड, एरोबिक एज वेल एज अनएरोबिक. इन एरोबिक respiration, last time we discussed about glycolysis. In this process, glycolysis process, two important coenzymes NADH2 and FADH2. Are you remember the name of these coenzymes? Somebody can tell me the name. NADH2 means nicotine, amide, adenine, dinucleotides. Dinucleotides is the common word in between NADH2 as well as FADH2. Then adenine is also common words. तुम्हाला लक्षात राहण्यासाठी adenine dinucleotide is the common word in both coenzymes. Adenine dinucleotide as well as adenine dinucleotide is also included in FADH2 as well as NADH2. Remember that names. Then my second question, I repeat again, glycolysis first step. In this process, glucose oxidized step by step, and first two molecules of pyruvic acid, NADH2, CO2 and water molecules are formed. Then these pyruvic acid formed in this process is slowly converted into acetyl coenzymes. Then two molecules of NADH2, FADH2, CO2 and water molecules. This is in case of in first step of oxidation of carbohydrates. Then next step, tricarboxylic acid cycle. Tricarboxylic acid cycle, both molecules of acetyl coenzyme, that means is NADH2 and FADH2 is formed in the glycolysis. Both these coenzymes enter into the mitochondria, and cyclic chain is called tricarboxylic acid cycle. That means we'll have to mention only these coenzymes enter in mitochondria. Mitochondria is a cell organelles. These both coenzymes enter in mitochondria in the cyclic chain, and this cyclic chain is called as a tricarboxylic acid chain. All this cycle is controlled or prepared by the mitochondria. These acetyl part of coenzymes, acetyl coenzymes असं आपण त्याला म्हणतोय. acetyl coenzymes, त्याच्यापैकी हा जो पार्ट आहे, acetyl part is completely oxidized in this tricarboxylic acid chain, and through this process molecules of CO2, H2O, NaDH2 and FADH2 is formed. Another, this FADH2 acetyl part of coenzymes is completely oxidized in this cycle, and then each molecules of NaDH2, CO2, FADH2 is formed in this tricarboxylic acid site. In this case, when you draw the diagram of mitochondria, you have to draw the outer membrane, then inner membrane. Inner membrane, draw like this, a villi inside the foldings that along with the inner lining. Then shows नाव देताना outer membrane, inner membrane, folders, then you show the arrow like this, cyclic or tricarboxylic acid cycle. Give the names of these tricarboxylic, then pyruvic acid, fatty acid, you show the name pyruvic acid, then fatty acids, show the arrow inside the mitochondria. That is the tricarboxylic acid cycle. Last one, electron chain reaction. These molecules of FADH2 and NADH2 form during all above process participate in the electron transfer chain. Last electron transfer chain is the last step of complete oxidation of carbohydrates. In this chain, these two important acetyl coenzymes, now they are not called acetyl, only coenzymes NADH2, FADH2 takes part in this electron transfer chain reaction, and in this case, due to this, 3 molecules of ATP is obtained from each NADH2. Now 3 molecules, try to understand, 3 molecules of ATP is formed during the electron transfer reaction. These coenzymes, which coenzymes? NADH2 and FADH2, when undergoes the electron transfer reaction, they convert into 3 molecules of ATP. You know that ATP, beside ATP, water molecules also form in this reaction, and the electron transfer completely operated by the mitochondria. This process is also controlled under the mitochondria. That means our currency is formed, 3 molecules of ATP. You know that ATP is the energy currency. You know currency, प्रत्येक देशाची करन्सी वेगळी असते. जेव्हा आपण ती घेऊन जातो तेव्हा ती आपण विड्रॉ करून त्या देशामध्ये वापरू शकतो, त्याला आपण करन्सी म्हणतो. तसं वी कॅन विड्रॉ द ATP molecules, convert them into the energy. This is the last part. Now thus the molecules of glucose is completely oxidized in this process. This aerobic respiration, the molecules of CO2, H2O and energy is formed in this electron transfer reaction. This is the last part. Electron, that is tricarboxylic acid is cycle that is found in mitochondria. Then last part is the electron transfer reaction. Only these two coenzymes take part, completely oxidize. That means they convert into the 3 ATP molecules. Along with these, CO2, H2O and energy is also formed. All these reaction control under the mitochondria, and then last these glucose completely oxidize. Is that clear? This is the explanation about our Krebs cycle and energy production in aerobic respiration. That means when you explain energy production in aerobic respiration, there are two types of respiration, two modes. Cellular respiration चे दोन मोड आहेत, aerobic as well as anaerobic. Now we saw the aerobic respiration, energy production in aerobic respiration. Under this topic we saw about the Krebs cycle. We saw the 3 important steps, that is glycolysis, tricarboxylic acid cycle and electron transfer reaction. All these reactions except glycolysis, this tricarboxylic acid cycle as well as electron transfer reaction, both are controlled by the mitochondria, and that is why energy production is completely oxidization of glucose is occur in mitochondria, and that is why mitochondria is the powerhouse of our body. Is that clear? Okay, have a nice day.